Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to perform hard reset on your OPPO Enco 3.2. So first you need to connect it to your phone and they should be paired right now, yes. And now to perform the hard reset you'll need to hold down this button until this light here will start blinking in red, and then you'll see that the device will disconnect from my phone. So let's do this. And now we just performed the hard reset. That's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.